Global warming is not a prediction, it is really happening. Good afternoon to one and all who are present here. Today I am standing here to deliver extempore on the topic global warming. So first of all, what is global warming? The term global warming means that the increment of a temperature around the earth is known as global warming. So the question comes once a mind that how global warming occurs. Global warming occurs due to of greenhouse gases that are carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide and chlorofluorocarbon. My mean is to say that if this type of gases will spread all over the earth, then it causes global warming. So now what precautions should be taken to save us from a global warming? Not us only but our planet also. First of all, we should not cut the trees. Deforestation should not be held, because as we all know that we are totally dependent on plant and trees. And we should not use plastics, because plastic takes a lot of air to decompose, and if we burn the plastic then it causes harmful gases which are harmful for us. And last one, it is that we should not use AC or refrigerator, because from these appliances a gas comes out that is chlorofluorocarbon, which harms our ozone layer, and through this disease caused in a human, that is mainly cancer and so on. So at last but not the least, I want to conclude my topic by saying that if a person doesn't plant a tree for himself only but also for the next generation. Thank you.